Tired of your phone holding you back? Ready to experience a smartphone that truly pushes the boundaries? Look no further than the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. In today's hyper-connected world, your phone is more than just a communication device. It's your camera, your office, your entertainment center, and your window to the world. You need a phone that can keep up with your demanding lifestyle, a phone that's powerful, versatile, and a joy to use. And that's where the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra truly shines. This isn't just another smartphone. It's a technological masterpiece, a testament to Samsung's relentless pursuit of innovation. With its groundbreaking camera system, blazing fast performance, and stunning display, the S24 Ultra sets a new standard for what a smartphone can be. Let's talk cameras. The S24 Ultra boasts an incredible 200MP main sensor, capturing breathtakingly detailed photos and videos, even in low light. The 100x space zoom brings distant subjects closer than ever before, allowing you to capture stunning shots of wildlife, landscapes, and more. And with advanced AI features like Scene Optimizer and Portrait Mode, every photo you take will be a masterpiece. Under the hood, the S24 Ultra is powered by a cutting-edge processor, ensuring smooth and lag-free performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. The vibrant edge-to-edge display delivers an immersive viewing experience, making movies, shows, and games come alive. And with the included S Pen, you can unleash your creativity with precision and ease, sketching, taking notes, and even controlling your phone from a distance. The S24 Ultra also boasts impressive battery life, keeping you going all day long, even with heavy use. Plus, you get fast charging capabilities to get back to full power in no time. And let's not forget the sleek and durable design, the water and dust resistance, and the seamless integration with the Samsung ecosystem. Now, no phone is perfect. The S24 Ultra is a premium device, and it comes with a premium price tag. It's also worth noting that the sheer number of features can sometimes feel overwhelming for new users. But for those who demand the best, the S24 Ultra is an investment that will undoubtedly pay off. If you're looking for a smartphone that truly pushes the boundaries of what's possible, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is a must-have. With its incredible camera system, blazing fast performance, and stunning display, it's the ultimate companion for work, play, and everything in between. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade to the future with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. This is just a template, and you can customize it further with your own unique style and insights. Consider adding visual elements like on-screen text, music, and sound effects to make your video more engaging. I hope this script helps you create a compelling review video for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra.